What's up, guys? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. A quick follow-up video. A couple days ago, I put together a video on Stitch Fix. It was on unusual option activity, and I explained exactly why I got into this trade. In today's video, I just did a trade to manage this position, so I wanted to explain exactly what I was doing. Let's get into it. Before I get into this unusual options activity part 2, I want to invite you guys. I'm doing a live free webinar this Saturday, May 23rd, 10 o'clock Central Time, 11 o'clock Eastern Time. In the video description, I'll leave a link. I encourage you to join. So here's what I'm doing with my Stitch Fix position. Okay, Stitch Fix. The exact trade that I did, and again, go to that first video, I walked you through the entire thing, was June 25, the 25 strike calls. I was a buyer of 10, and I bought them at $1.55. Right now, the trade's working. The market is 205 bid at 215. So I got a nice little cushion. In the first video, I said I'm going to hold this trade until expiration or until I could take off a handsome profit. Or I might manage the trade, and that's exactly what I did. To manage this trade, what I did was I sold a higher call. And what I did was the 33s. Right now it's 60-cent bid at 75-cent offer. I was able to sell for 75 cents. You can see it right down here. Why did I do that? Again, going back to that first video, I stressed trade management. I'm not going to just sit on my hands and do nothing and hope that Stitch Fix rallies over the next 29 days. I like the probabilities of the position because there was massive call buying, so I feel like I'm on the right side. I feel like I'm on the institutional side. But I still am going to manage money. So here's why I did that. Right now, I am long. I'm long 25s, and I'm short 33s. Okay? So I'm long the 25 strike, and I'm short 33s. I'm long from $1.55, and now I'm short 75 cents. So net, there's going to be an 80-cent difference. So the first thing that I did was I drastically reduced my risk. So my risk when I first started was $1,550, right? $1.55. I did the trade 10 times. So when I first started, I had $1,550 of risk. Well, because I took the credit in, I was able to reduce that risk by half. Now, my ultimate risk, if everything goes horrible, if nothing works in my favor, the ultimate risk I have is $800. That's it. 80 cents times 10. My risk is $800. What's my reward? Because just like I was able to take down my risk, I also took down my reward a little bit. That was something that I decided to do beforehand. So let's walk through it. Risk is $800. The worst I can do on this position is lose $800. The most I can make is going to be the difference between the two strikes. 33 minus 25 equals 8. Because I have this spread on 10 times, my max reward is $8,000 minus my risk, $7,200. So I did this trade, guys, because I wanted to accomplish a few things. For one, I just cut my risk in half. Worst case scenario, I lose $800 in Stitch Fix. I could deal with that. But now if I'm right, I can make $7,200 based upon that risk. So I took my downside a little bit lower. And as far as my upside, I'm not sure I really took it lower, because to tell you the truth, if I was just long the 25s and Stitch Fix rallied to 30 or 31 or 32, I'd probably start locking in that handsome profit that we talked about earlier. There's more though, because now we get to start having a little bit of fun. Because if Stitch Fix goes lower, and let's say it trades down to $20, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy these suckers right back. Then I'll just be long again the 25 strike. And now I'm trading. I'm holding my core position, my initial position, but I'm trading around the position. So best case scenario, Stitch Fix goes to 100 and we're chilling, right? I just made $7,200 on $800 of risk. Go me. What's the worst case scenario? I guess the worst case scenario is Stitch Fix goes lower. I don't give a shit. I'm going to buy these right back, and maybe it goes higher after that. That's how I'm managing the position. If I do anything else, I'll put another video out. If you like this, please leave a comment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Again, my name is Jonathan Rosa. I'm the owner of Masters in Trading. Thanks so much for watching, guys.